This problem could cost families hundreds, even thousands of dollars, but lawmakers are considering a plan to fix it.
Bridget Ernst is a single mom with 3 busy boys, a full-time job, and a carefully crafted budget that includes money she puts into a dependent care flexible spending account.
Normally, you are required to plan for the next year by the end of the previous year. So I made allocations for childcare.
Here's the problem. When the pandemic started, Bridget already had money in the account. Now there's no way to spend it because there's no after-school care for her kids.
But I still have $800 sitting there that's basically being held prisoner.
Every year, families can put up to $5,000 pre-tax dollars into an FSA to cover childcare costs. It's a use it or lose it account. Money must be spent by the end of the year.
If I can't use it because of a pandemic that there was no way for me to plan for, then I think we should either get it back or roll it over.
Under the CARES Act, families could stop payments into those accounts, which Bridget did. But the law doesn't address what happens to money that was already set aside.
They're very beneficial vehicles that we have available to us. It's just too bad in this perfect storm of pandemic, childcare issues, and so on, that FSAs unfortunately have this use it or lose it component.
John Balitis is an attorney who specializes in employment issues. He says unless there's a spend down provision in your plan, FSA money is also in jeopardy if you lose your job.
When your employment ends, your ability to use the money ends as well. And that money then gets forfeited. Employers don't really have an incentive to collaborate too much with workers on this because the forfeited money goes to the employer.
Now, lawmakers are considering a plan that would allow families to spend down their dependent care FSA balances through the end of the year if there's a job loss. The proposal would also require plans to roll over remaining account balances into 2021 and allow the IRS to expand the list of allowable expenses to cover things like internet costs, tutoring, or virtual camps.
They obviously know there's a problem.
For Bridget, there are hundreds of reasons to support the plan.
That's a lot of money. $800 is a lot of money.
If you have questions about your individual plan, your first stop should be your company's benefits coordinator, guys.
Wow, that is really frustrating. That seems like something that should be fixed, I mean, easily. Who wouldn't understand what she's going through?
It is. And like she said, $800, it's a lot of money. So hopefully lawmakers can figure out a plan because it seems kind of like a no-brainer.
Mm-hmm.
Susan,
thanks.
Thank you.